Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Henrietta. So on today's video I will be taking you guys through my face shaving routine. So I will be shaving my face and showing you guys how I do it, how I get it done. And I know that in the beauty industry there's so many reasons why people shave their face, but for me I honestly just shave my face because I do have quite a bit of facial hair, and I typically don't like how it looks like after a while. So I find that shaving it kind of just helps it look better. On the plus side, I would say that shaving my face kind of just helps my skincare product apply better. I really like the way my moisturizer, my serums apply on my face after I have shaved off the hair on my face. So I will show you guys what I do, what I use, how I get it done. By the way, if you are new here, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Before I get into this video, I just want to give a quick disclaimer, like I always do. I am not a skincare expert. This is what I do for my skin. I've done it quite a lot, to be honest. No harm has come to my skin as a result of shaving my face. I've seen people steam their face first before they shave it. I've seen people do their shaving routine right after a shower. I've seen people do it on completely dry skin. People just do it in different ways. But this method I'm about to share with you guys is what I have used since I started shaving my face really. I will just put this on my head so that I don't shave my hair in the process. Okay, so this is what I use to shave my face. I have used this since I came to Canada actually, and I really love it. I get this from Amazon. I'll put the link to purchase this exact one from Amazon. I really like the design and the grip. It does a good job. I always have this in stock. Let me show you this. I always I always have lots and lots of it. I make sure to never run out because I'm always shaving my face. So I would say maybe I shave my face. I would say maybe like every month. I honestly don't track it. As soon as I start to see the facial hairs, then I find time to shave it. I'll show you guys up close what it looks like. It's not crazy, but you see. So these are the ones that bother me. For the rest of my face, I don't really see a lot, but the one right on my what they call it, mustache. So what I do is I just use an oil. I apply that all over my face. I'm using this one from Good Molly Pose, and I just apply that all over my face. Like a generous amount, especially areas where I'm going to be shaving. Just gonna grab my razor and start shaving. I'll come closer so I can show you guys what I do. So I just do this and you can see that already. See all of this facial hair. Just like to come right here. So be careful with my brows. I don't shave it off. I feel like there's really nothing to shave here, to be honest. I feel like this blade is so easy to use, guys. It's super easy to use. So now the most important part. How do I do this? Okay. I think I just this is like I think so silly right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Hmm? I'll show you guys up close what it looks like the side that I have shaved. See? Mm, mm. So you just apply a little bit more oil just over it a little bit. Okay. So see guys, see all that's here. Show you guys. So disgusting. All this hair on my face. So now we're all done. I'm just going to wipe up the excess oil. Then just go ahead and do my nighttime skincare routine. I'm gonna throw this away, of course. I use this only once. I don't know that they are reusable, so I use it once and I discard it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my nighttime skincare routine. If you guys want to see my skincare routine, like morning and night now, just let me know. I can give you another video. Okay, like a morning. I can skincare routine. So now I'm just gonna can you just sit for one of my talents. Okay, my face is all washed. I also use this face towels, like a disposable, uh, biodegradable face towels that I buy it from Amazon as well. I put the link in the description so you guys can check it out. I love this stuff because I like that they're disposable and you don't have to worry about making sure your towels are clean all the time. Um, I mean, I'm not saying don't wash your towel. So right now, this is all shaved. See, here it looks so much better already. I'll show you guys up close. Mhm. Yeah, this I like how my skin looks now. So I'll just go ahead and do my skincare routine. Yeah, see how the product is applying up. It stings though a little bit. It doesn't feel right. I just feel like I have soap on my hands. And I wash my hands. Okay. So I only do this at night, you guys. I have never done it like during the daytime. I feel like I like to do it at night so that by the time I wake up in the morning, my skin is calm, it has recovered. So and also when I do this, I typically don't use like any serums or anything. I just keep my skincare routine for that day really simple. Just focus on hydrating my skin and just moisturizing it. I'm not using any serums or anything. So I just focus on hydrating my skin. So if you notice, I'm just using hydrating um product. Nothing to what's the word? Yeah, let me show you guys up close. See? It feels really smooth to the touch. All of that. I buy it to fish. I buy it to beer. Beer. Then finally, I'm gonna go in my moisturizer. This is the holiest grail of all the holiest grails. Like I love this moisturizer so much. There's just something about moisturized skin. I don't know, but there's just something about moisturized skin. You guys, like, you see what I'm seeing. Like, there's something about moisturized skin. Okay, okay, okay. And then some lip balm. Okay, guys. So we're all done. This is what my skin looks like after shaving and doing my skincare routine for the night time. Um, if you have any questions about this, honestly, I'm not the expert, but if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section because it's sleep. I'm sleepy actually. Just leave them in the comment section and I will do my best to answer those questions. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. And guys, I have been consistent, so please show me support and subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching this video and I will see you on the next one.